In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to provide edit access in Metabase. We'll start by getting to Metabase. Open your browser and search for Metabase. If your organization uses a hosted Metabase on its own URL, you can go straight there instead of the public site. From the search results, click the first official link so you land on the correct login page. Now, click Login and sign in with your usual credentials. You'll need an account with the right administrative privileges to change permissions. If you don't see the settings options we're about to use, check with your admin to make sure your account has access. Once you're in, look for the gear icon, typically in the top right corner of the Metabase interface. Click that to open the settings menu. From here, go to Admin Settings, then choose Permissions. This is where you control who can see and modify content and data inside your Metabase. For today's task, we're focusing on collections because collections hold your questions, dashboards, and models. In the Permissions area, click Collections and choose the specific collection you want to manage. Picking the right collection is important because your changes will apply to everything inside that collection. If you have similarly named folders, double-check you're on the intended one before making changes. On the Permissions panel for that collection, you'll see groups like Administrators and All Users. Your organization may also have custom groups, but Administrators and All Users are common defaults. Think of these as roles that apply to many people at once, making it easier to manage access consistently. Next to each group, you'll find a drop-down with 3 options: Curate, View, and No Access. Here's what they mean. View allows people in that group to open and read dashboards and questions in the collection, but not change them. No Access hides the collection completely from that group. Curate is the key setting for edit access. When a group is set to curate, its members can add, edit, move, and organize items in that collection, and they can save changes to dashboards and questions that live there. To provide edit access, set the drop-down for the appropriate group to curate. Take a moment to confirm you're granting curate only to the groups that truly need it. A good rule of thumb is to keep broad groups like All Users on view unless everyone genuinely needs editing power, and apply curate to a specific group of editors. That's it. You've provided edit access to the collection by assigning curate. Remember to review permissions periodically to keep your workspace organized and secure.